Hello lovely, I wanted to show you something very special from HerMJ. We all know how a beautiful piece of jewelry can liven up an outfit, whether it's a majestic string of pearls or a gemstone bracelet. But many of us realize our homes look beautiful in jewelry too. I have some gemstone accents for your home to share with you. They're from the HerMJ Gemstone Home Accents collection. For our first piece of room jewelry, we have a gorgeous sodalite sphere. The deep blues and the white striations of this gemstone is absolutely magnificent. Put this on your nightstand or your table and it completely transforms your room. Next, I have the lavender amethyst stalactite. Lavender dates back to the 3rd century and is also known as the stone's protection. Isn't this absolutely stunning and pretty? Look at all the sparkle in the crystal. I'm going to show you something which is going to just be absolutely wonderful. This right here, this big tower, this is known as a moss agate tower. It is AAA high quality and you can see the sparkling druzy in the tower. Moss agate is really a special gemstone. What drew me to it was not only the size, it's also the way it sparkles and lights up a room. Put it near some natural light and you really see what I'm talking about. Next, we have quite the showstopper. This is garden quartz, also known as lodolite and scenic quartz. It's a magnificent, truly one-of-a-kind gemstone because of the unique inclusions of hematite. This is a wonderful way to dress up a room and your home deserves beautiful jewelry like this. Gemstones make, something really special, adding a touch of gorgeous decor. Adding gemstone accents instantly liven up your home and the eye-catching elegance is something that can't be surpassed. Visit HerMJ's Home Decor Gemstone Jewelry Gallery and have a look around. We'll be adding some even more unique pieces that you want to see. Subscribe and I'll let you know when we add the new limited edition piece. Or you can sign up on our site for our designer newsletter. There's a link in the description below. See you next time.